tonight is Pirate Night, and we're at dinner, and I was going to show you what everybody looks like, because everybody is dressed up tonight.
We're baby scoots, and we're going to
So, we have Amy.
I balance.
Amy, say hello. There's Amy.
Girls Gone
Katya. There's Maria, the Fifth Avenue pirate. Ladies who lunch. There's Deneen. Here's Kim. Oh, wait, pan out. I was a little too close for you, Kim. I'm sorry, my bad. There you go. Kim's looking good. That's what she looks like when she does yoga.
That's right.
So now we have Laura. She's looking good. She's got her goofy ears on, too. And then there's Ariane. Sweet.
Busty wench.
That's right, the busty witch.
I said busty.
Busty witch.
I didn't say busty, I said busty.
Either way, it's good.
Either way, it's bad.
If it wasn't so apropos,
And then we have Jonathan down there at the very end with his manly, well, as he calls it, his dreamy accent and his manly do-rag. Fun time had by everybody.